Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to apply superscript and subscript in Microsoft Excel. Like this, we have this data with superscript and subscript. So firstly, type your data in simple format like AI2 plus SO 43 minus. Now here, select your text, word or letter which you want to make in superscript or subscript form. Then right click on it and here select format cells, and in effects you will find these options. So select superscript, then click on OK. Format cells and select subscript. Like this. So this is the way you can apply this setting. Also you can access superscript or subscript by clicking here. Just click here and select any option. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.